Welcome back to another episode of Cook Brothers Garage. I'm the Brain. Here's Pinky. And on today, we'll be unboxing that, which is the creeper and the seat combo that you can get from Jegs. Well, as you can tell, the box kind of had a rough trip with FedEx. It's all bent. I guess we're going to find out if the packaging actually protected it or didn't. Wow. Heat shrink plastic on it. I guess it keeps it from getting wet. And the bottom of this is tore up pretty good. Been dropped pretty good. More than once, the way it looks. But that's shipping anymore. Yeah, let's see. Oh boy, directions. There's a lot of sand in that. I guess it's from all the parts. Yeah. I have all the little pieces here. Got little bits of plastic. Probably something broke off. Well, we got the wheels. Got one little package of bolts. I don't know if that's all the pieces or not. But it looks to be. Wow, directions. Picture. Some better than the word directions they write out, because sometimes they don't make sense when they transfer it from, I guess, Chinese to English. There's more of that broke plastic. That's going to take some work. There's a lot of sand in this. Sand's still falling. Listen. Look at all that sand. You can see right down in there, maybe, sand. Lots of it. Well, that ain't good for anything you want greased, especially them ball bearings. Don't know why all that sand's in there. Could be from the welding process, but there's normal stuff from China, cheap welds. But that's a decent price. We'll see how long this will last. Some stuff you get from them is good, sometimes stuff you ain't. That's actually all together, that part. The creeper part. Just have to assemble the seat part. Yeah. There's that plastic. Where's that plastic? I guarantee you, yep, it went right here. Right on the corner. So it was dropped, see? The only reason I bought this one, because you have this. Raise your head up. Because a lot of times I'm working underneath there and you lay your head flat, yeah. Sometimes you gotta look up at something, you hold your head up there, you stress your neck out. That's my main reason buying this. But this is actually, this part's all together. Besides that, broke. And the seats, of course, are disassembled, but all the pieces are there. What worries me is that sand. But as long as you don't use that drawer a lot, which the only thing I'm going to do is use this little baby drawer to put stuff. But you're going to have to do some metal work like anything you get, some metal. You see, more sand. But that's dented in shipping. See, it's been all to pieces. But for what I want to use it for, it's fine. It ain't made to look pretty. As long as it works, I don't care. A little dent here, a little broken there. But anymore, you used to expect when you buy something brand new that it actually is going to be in top-notch shape. But that's okay if you buy it from a box store and it actually has a store. But when you order stuff online, see, I could ship this back, but more than likely they'll send me another one and it'll be in this shape or even worse. So here is my next package from Amazon, of course. That's where I got this from. You can order Jegs stuff through Amazon, a little more secure than the Jegs site. I ordered something from them a few years back and their site got hacked or something, but I guess their site's better now. I don't know. I just go on there and look stuff up and then order it from Amazon. You take the part number and then you put Jegs behind it and it usually pops it up the first thing. And this was another part I was waiting on the tractor for to change. These are the chain tightener spring loaded. And one pair in each bag. I like how they sew these little bags. And this is where they come from. You order them on Amazon. Or you can just go to their site and buy it. But I like doing all my stuff from Amazon. And my personal choice. I know Amazon had trouble and this and that, but I mean, if you can just basically get anything there, why you want to shop anywhere else? And then worry about doing other sites, maybe getting hacked and stuff. Yes, Yahoo does get hacked and whatnot. So do not advise you putting your debit card on there. Use a credit card. And get you one of the credit cards that you monitor. Alright, I know Garage Cat's mad because we ain't paying attention to him. So he's trying to trying to knock down my camera girl. There you go, that's basically what that is a bunch of springs, a couple of chains, and you take the chain, so you basically take the chain and see it's a big old circle, and then you hook your chains on your tractor or your lawnmower or your vehicle. I think this is for a size up to 14-inch diameter. And you take these little springs, stick them right there on your chain, and it keeps your chain tight. Because the tighter you keep that chain, the less wear and tear on the chain and lasts longer. Because if it's just wiggling all the time, that's creating wear. But if it's tight, you don't have to worry about it. And I think this is $14 for this pair when I bought it on sale. I don't know what it is now. I think they went up, but everything's going up. So I'll put these on a tractor, and it's simple to put on. I don't think you need a video, but if you want to video me putting those on, mention it down in the comment section. This, I bought at Walmart today, and it was in the clearance section. And it's not been open. Most of the time you get something up there at the clearance section that's been open, so it's still got the factory sticker. I ain't gonna tell you how much I paid for it because Walmart probably won't like it. But it is a pretty good deal. And wow, if they mailed this in the mail, it got tore all apart because there ain't no soft packaging or nothing. As you can tell, you hang it up on the wall, you plug your 2 batteries in there. Oh, that's neat. If I can get it out. Alright, cats, quit fighting. Mama's cat's fighting. go. There we go. Pop that sucker out there. But you can also hang it. That way you can charge 2 batteries at once. If you're like me and always got a bunch of batteries that you need to keep charged or laying around so they won't die, get you that, saves you. But that's pretty much it for everything today. And today at Cook Brothers Garage, as you see, it's a nice sunny day. Warm. There's Pinky. She's getting thirsty. And let's see, what is the temperature today? Oh, it's a nice temperature. A bit above 60. And welcome back after this short break, which through the power of video editing would be seconds. See, I got her all bolted together, all the pieces are there. She's an okay seat. Had to use some WD-40 on the drawer where they had all that sand in there. I'm going to set this hopefully where y'all can see. There we go. See if y'all can see that. I'll get my stand here. There we go. Yeah, y'all can see that. See, you don't want to open all the way and close that forward, you gotta shut it. See, you hear that noise, that grinding? That's where that sand's in them bearings, and I tried to clean it out, took it apart, cleaned it out, took it apart, cleaned it out. Put some WD-40 in there. But once you get that sand in there, just ain't no point unless you got like one of them vibrating parts washers you sit in and do that and then re-grease everything. But I don't have one. And I think all this right here costs me like $34 for this, and that is on sale, I believe, on Amazon. That's another reason I go there. They got all kinds of sales, and if you're a customer, you also every once in a while get like coupons or so much off of your entire order. But hear that? So there's still some more sand in there. But hey, it's going to be in the garage anyways, and it's going to get a lot worse than that, I tell you. It's going to be a lot worse than that when I get done. Because I'm hard on my stuff. Try not to be, but some things like that, especially rolling around stuff a lot, I have broke a lot of them, but also fixed some. And I'll show you when I fixed. Right there. As you see, that one's actually got a metal bottom, and what happened there is where the metal fatigued, and then the seat, I guess the seat wood fatigued with the bolt up through there, so I just welded me a cross brace in there. Now it's good as new. But since this is Cook Brothers Garage, I had to have another seat for my brother, whether he uses it or not, don't matter. And I'll probably use it, have one on one side of the vehicle, one on the other. But that's about all I'm going to do today. I got other things I got to take care of like always. This is the brain, and Pinky done left, went to bed I guess. I don't know where she at, she just left and didn't come back. About my luck. But I'll see y'all later.